Suggestions for Public Healthcare Significance and Mission of Seongnam Citizens Medical Center. Kim Yong-ik, Honorary Professor at Seoul National University's Medical School, former member of the National Assembly. Significance of Seongnam Citizens Medical Center. Seongnam Citizens Medical Center is an extremely rare public hospital established by basic local governments. There are only 4 hospitals in Seongnam, Jinan, Mokpo, and Uljin that are the main agents of establishment. Most of the hospitals in the form of local medical centers were established in Japanese colonial era, and only 9 were newly established from the time of liberation to the early 1960s. The establishment of the Seogwipo branch of Jeju Medical Center in 1964 was the end of the trend. Since then, only small rural hospitals have been built in Uljin 2003 and Jinan 2015. It was Seongnam Citizens Medical Center, which was launched in 2020 as a decent hospital with 509 diseases that woke up the long and boring sleep. Seongnam Citizens Medical Center is a special public hospital established by citizens. Citizens proposed the ordinance and accepted it by the city and succeeded in establishing it in 17 years. Despite all difficulties, it was a new and fresh experience to be able to build a public hospital through the civil movement. Since then, campaigns to establish public hospitals have been underway all over the country. This alone left a clear mark on the history of Korean hospitals. Mission of Seongnam Citizens Medical Center. Just because the start was historic does not mean that all its values are realized. It should be a hospital that is really helpful to residents. But looking at the data from the medical center, it is reassuring that they already understand this fully. Quality medical care should be provided. Good quality medical care is not only about using many modern medical devices. Overtreatment is also an undertreatment, which provides standard treatment that does not exist. When I go to this hospital, I have to have faith that doctors will choose the best treatment for my illness. I hope it will be a hospital with a clear sense of responsibility for the health of all residents of Seongnam City. It should be a hospital that actively prevents and manages diseases, and a hospital that visits residents, not just patients who visit the clinic. You can create a new model of community care with Seongnam's health centers, private hospitals, and welfare institutions, and actively participate. I hope that the hospital is open to residents, and the hospital where the patient is proud as the owner, so that the residents can love the hospital just as the hospital loves the residents. I hope that medical professionals will sincerely worry about patients, and that will make them feel proud of them, so that patients can respect doctors. Proud jobs, good employees, hospitals that provide good jobs for employees, hospitals where various jobs and sufficient manpower can work as a team, hospitals with accurate and transparent accounting, hospitals with fair and reasonable transactions, and hospitals with honest and open management can develop long-term. The scariest pitfall of public hospitals is falling into bureaucracy. We look forward to Seongnam City, which always innovates and provides sufficient support, but guarantees management autonomy. The relationship between the city and the medical center should be applied by the arm's length principle. A word of request: recently, public hospitals are attracting new attention. It is because of COVID-19. Seongnam Citizens Medical Center, which was born after a long period of labor, suffered from COVID-19 at the same time as its launch, and on the other hand, it can be said that it is fate that public hospitals have gained new attention due to COVID-19. It will be hard, but I hope you overcome the difficulties well. I hope Seongnam Citizens Medical Center will set an example for a good public hospital. I hope Seongnam Citizens Medical Center will be able to hear all the modifiers such as modern, excellent, capable, clean, kind, reliable, and show an example of how public hospitals operate so well. I hope that everyone who promotes public hospitals from all over the country will become a hospital for field trips. Seongnam Citizens Medical Center has had many difficulties in launching, but we hope that there will be great development in the future.